Okay, so the next step will be to intonate the guitar. And to do this accurately, we need to use a strobe tuner. So I like to use these flip tuners. They're backlit, really easy to read. But the strobe tuners are pretty much all the same in terms of like their functionality. So you know that in equal temperament, you have 12 semitones in an octave. So in between each of those semitones is 100 cents. So what a strobe tuner is able to do that a pedal board tuner is not, is able to read those cents of the semitones. So basically, let me hit an open E here really quick. I'm going to show you what you're looking at. So these lines, basically all you need to know is if they're going down, like this. See how I'm moving below? That would be flat. See how the lines are all moving down? That means I'm too flat. So let me tune it up into pitch, and then you can see that it flutters in the beginning, but it kind of mellows out and stops. So that is perfect E. As I go up above that, I'm a little bit sharp. See right there? Lines are moving up. With the strobe tuner, you're able to read very accurately those semitones. You're able to read into the 100 cents in between each semitone. And this is important when tuning because a guitar is a fretted instrument. So when I hit E down there, when I hit the high E, let's see where we end up. I'm just hitting high E. See how it's falling a little bit flat? So we need to fix that. And I'll show you in the next step how we do this.